Hello, I just wanted to come on and show you that I received my pop-on veneers a little over a week ago, and I'm very pleased with them. I guess I did a really good mold. You get 3 tries to do a good mold, and obviously I did because they turned out great. So I'm going to pop them in because they're pop-on veneers. Oh, but look at my smile. I already have a nice smile, but I wanted it to be whiter. And this was like one of the fastest, most economical ways because, you know, the dentist is really high. So here we go. The bottom and here the top. So, what you think now? Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. I really appreciate the great workmanship that they did in making these veneers. And I like them. What about you? My bright smile has just gotten brighter.